Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I am here again with maths class. Today we will start new exercise, that is exercise 5.4. And from today what we will do? We will do less work as class work and I will give you more as revision work, because as I always say, the more you will practice, the more you become better. So let's start. First question is add the following. As no number is mentioned here, I have written question A. So you can also write question A, add the following here. So let's start. First part is 1 by 10, 3 by 10 and 8 by 10. So we have to add, and as we have to add fraction, so there is a little different method of adding fraction. So whenever we have a same denominator, what we will do? We will write the denominator only once, as it is common in all three fractions, and to numerator we will write like this. 1 plus 3 plus 8. We will write the denominator once. The next step, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 12. 12 by 10. So it is 12 by 10. And if you want to reduce it to its lowest term, you can reduce it by dividing this 12 and this 10 by 2. When we will divide it, we will get 2 6 are 12 and 2 5s are 10. Now let's do next part. See, part 2 and 3 are same as part 1. So that two parts you will do as revision work. Now we will do part 4. And one more thing, it is not necessary that you have to reduce to the lowest term. It's up to you. If you want to reduce it to lowest term, you can reduce. Otherwise, up to here also your solution is correct. You can leave up to here also. If you want to reduce it to lowest term, you can reduce. Second part, fourth part is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. So as the denominator is different, so what we have to do? We have to make it equal. So how we will make it? We can do directly, but the proper method is to find out the LCM of 3 and 6. We have to find out the LCM of denominators, and we know how to find out LCM by the division method, and in LCM we can do it together. 3 will come down as it is. 2 3s are 6. Now 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. So the LCM of 3 comma 6 is equals to 2 into 3 is it equals to 6. So the LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So what we will do? We have to change this 3 into 6. And how we will do? By multiplying this 3 by 2. So in next step we will get 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6. Now as the denominator is same, we will write it once, and 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is equals to 3 by 6. So here again we can reduce it to the lowest term. If you want to reduce it, divide this 3 and 6 by 2. After dividing, we will get 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. Part 5 and 6 are same as part 4, that you will do as revision work. Then move on to part 7. Part 7 is 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. So again in this part we will find out the LCM of these three. LCM of 5, 10, 15, and the method is this: 5, 10, 10, 15. So as this 10 is divisible by 2, 5 will come down as it is. 2 5s are 10, 15 will come down as it is. Then by 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Now by 3, 1, 1 and 1. So the LCM of 5, 10 and 15 is equals to 2 into 3 into 5. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So next step, 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10 plus, I am giving a little space before this plus sign so that we will multiply easily. So 5 6 are 30. We have to change this denominator to 30. Then we will multiply numerator by the same. 10 3s are 30. So we will multiply numerator by the same number. 15 2s are 30. And we will multiply this numerator by the same number. For next step, I have to erase this. Till that time, you can note it down. So in next step, we will get 6 by 30 plus 3 by 30 plus 2 by 30. Now as you can see, denominator is same. So we will write denominator once. And 6 plus 3 plus 2 is equals to 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 by 30. Now we cannot reduce this fraction to the lowest term. So our solution is 11 by 30. Now we will do part 10, that is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12. In this also first we will find out the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. So LCM of 6, 8 and 12. By 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. 2, 3 will come down as it is, 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Again 2 is here. So by 2, 3 will come down as it is. 2 1s are 2 and this 3 will also come down as it is. Now by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. So LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. So now let's solve. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12. Now how we will change this 6 to 24? By multiplying this 6 by 4 and numerator by also 4. Then 8 3s are 24 and we will multiply the numerator by 3. Then 12 2s are 24. We will multiply the numerator by the same number. In next step, we will get 4 by 24 plus 3 by 24 plus 2 by 24. As denominators in all three fractions is 24, we will write it once only. Then 4 plus 3 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9 by 24. And to this 9 by 24 we can reduce to the lowest term. How? By dividing this 9 and 24 by 3. After dividing we will get 3 3s are 9 and 3 8s are 24. So here our question A finishes. So let's move to question number B. The first part of question B is 11 by 17 minus 5 by 17. So as denominator is same, we can do it directly. When denominator is same, it is 17. When denominator is same, we are writing it once, then 11 minus 5. So when we will subtract this 5 from 11, we will get 6 by 17. So the solution of this subtraction is 6 by 17 and we cannot reduce it to lowest term. Now let's move to next part, part 16. 14 and 15 are same as part 13 that you will do as revision work. We will do 16. Part 16 is 1 by 6 minus 1 by 18 as we have done in previous question. When denominators are different, we are finding the LCM of denominators equals to 6 and 18. By 2 we will do 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, then 3, 1 and 1. So LCM is equals to 2 times 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So the LCM is 18. In next step, we will change it. How we will change this 6 to 18? By multiplying this 6 by 3. We will multiply the numerator as well by the same number. Equals to 3 1s are 3 and 6 3s are 18. Minus 1 by 18. And in next step, 3 minus 1 by 18 and it will be 2 by 18. So if you want to reduce it to lowest term, you can reduce because 2 and 18 both are divisible by 2. After reducing, the fraction will be 1 by 9. So here our question number B finishes and rest parts you have to do as revision work. Now we will start question number 19. Question 19 is Rinki read 1 by 3 part of a book on Monday, 1 by 8 part on Tuesday and 1 by 12 part on Wednesday. What fraction of the book did she read in 3 days? So a girl named Rinki is there and she is reading a book and on Monday she read 1 by 3 part of a book. On Tuesday she read 1 by 8 part of the book and on Wednesday she read 1 by 12 part of that book. Now we have to find out what fraction of the book did she read in 3 days. So we have to find out total number of pages she read or total number of fraction of the book she read in all. So for that we will do addition. So let's do solution. So it is in the form of fraction. So we will write fraction of book Rinki read on Monday. First information is fraction of book Rinki read on Monday is equals to 1 by 3rd part. Then second information is fraction of book she read on Tuesday. As we have written Rinki 1, so no need to write Rinki again and again. We can use she. As Rinki is proper noun and She is common noun. In place of Rinki, we can write this common noun 1/8 part. 1/8 part. Then fraction of book. She read on Wednesday is equals to 1/12 part. And we have to find out what fraction of the book she read in 3 days. So fraction of book she read, we have to find out fraction of book she read in 3 days is equals to 1/3 plus 1/8 plus 1/12. As we can see, the denominator of these three fractions are different. So we will find out the LCM of all these three. LCM of 3, 8 and 12 equals to 3, 8, 12. 2, 3 will come down as it is. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. Again by 2, 3 will come down as it is. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Again by 2, 2 3 will come down as it is. 1 and 3. Then by 3. 3 1s are 3, 1 will come down as it is, and 3 1s are 3. So LCM of 3, 8, 12 is equals to 3 times 2 and 1 time 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So the LCM of 3, 8, 12 is equals to 24. Now in next part what we will do, we will change these denominators into 24. So for doing that, first I have to erase it, so you can note it down till that time. So I have erased it. I have not erased this. First was 1/3 plus 1/8 plus 1/12. These were the fraction is 1/3, 1/8 and 1/12. Now we have to convert this 3 into 24. How I will convert? By multiplying this 3 by 8. We have to multiply this 3 by 8. 8 3s are 24 or 3 8s are 24. We will multiply this numerator as well by 8. Then 8 3s are 24. 1 into 3. 12 2s are 24 and 1 into 2. So in next step it will be 8/24 plus 3/24 plus 2/24. 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 3 13/24. So question was asking what fraction of the book did she read in 3 days. So 13/24 part of the book she read in 3 days. So let's write. So 13/24 part of the book she read in 3 days. I hope this question is clear to you. Now let's move to question number 21. Question number 21 is Priyanka bought some tomatoes. She spent 1/8 part of these tomatoes on making soup and used 1/6 part for making vegetables for the family. What part of the tomatoes did she use? Same we have to do. She bought tomatoes. Out of that tomatoes, she used 1/8 part in making soup and 1/6 part for making vegetable. And we have to find out how much part she used for making these two things. So we will add. So let's do solution. So the first information is Priyanka bought some tomatoes. Priyanka bought some tomatoes. And second information is she spent 1/8 part of these tomatoes on making soup. So tomatoes she used for making soup. She used for making soup is equals to 1/8 part. And then she used 1/6 part for making vegetable for the family. Tomatoes she used for making vegetable. Only vegetable, not vegetables. That is 1/8 part. 1/8 part. Now we have to find out what part of the tomatoes she used. Tomatoes she used equals to, sorry, here 1/6 will come. 1/8 plus 1/6. As we can see, denominators are different, so we will find out LCM of 8,6 equals to, so let's find out 8,6. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Again we will do by 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 will come down as it is. Once again by 2. 2 1s are 2 and 3 as it is. Now we will do by 3. 3 1s are 3. So the LCM of 8 and 6 is equals to 3 times 2 and 1 time 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So the LCM of 8 and 6 is equals to 24. So for the next part of this solution, first I need to erase this. Till that time you can note it down. So she used 1/8 and 1/6 fraction of the tomatoes, 6 part of the tomatoes. So 8 3s are 24. We will multiply this 8 by 3 so that it will change into 24, and to this numerator also we will multiply by 3. Then 6 4s are 24. To this numerator also we will multiply by 24. Then 3 1s are 3, 8 3s are 24, plus 4 1s are 4, 6 4s are 24. Now denominators are same. 24 here, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3 is equals to 7 by 24. So Priyanka used 7 by 24 part of the tomatoes. Now move to question number 22. Question number 22 is Ranjan spends 1/3 of his salary on house rent and 1/4 on school fees. What part of salary does he spend more on house rent? So we have to find out how much more he spent on the house rent. So for that what we will do? We will subtract school fee from the house rent. By that we will get how much more he spent on house rent. So the first information given in this question is Ranjan spends 1/3 of his salary on house rent. Ranjan spends on house rent is equals to 1/3 part. It is a part of his salary. Then second is he spends on school fees is equals to 1/4 part. Now we have to find out what part of salary does he spend more on house rent. So we have to find out amount of salary, he spends more on what? Rent, on house rent. Is equals to, he spends more on house rent. So it means from house rent we will subtract fees paid by him. So here again we have to find out LCM of 3, 4. So let's do it. 3/4, 2, 3, 2 2s are 4, again 2, 3 will come down as it is, 2 1s are 2. Now we will do by 3. 3 1s are 3 and 1 will come down as it is. So the LCM of 3 and 4 is equals to 2 times 2 and 1 time 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So for next part of the question I have to erase. Till that time you note it down. 1/3 minus 1/4. 3 4s are 12. We will multiply numerator by the same number. 4 3s are 12 into 3 is equals to 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12 minus 3 1s are 3, 4 3s are 12 equals to 4 minus 3, as denominator is same we will write it once only, 1/12. So 1/12 part of salary he spent more on house rent. So 1/12 part of salary he spent more on house rent. Next question number 23 is same as question number 22 that you will do by your own. So here our exercise 5.4 finishes, and in this exercise you have to practice more, because you all know the more you will practice, the more you become better. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.